video is inspired by Jennifer Adams. I will link her video into the description. So I started off by getting the cardboard. Any cardboard of your choice, you have to measure it to the size headboard. So if it's a queen or a double. I then get the foam. So I used a 1.5-inch foam, but for next time I will use a 1-inch foam. Because of the leather material I use, it was a bit harder to handle with the 1.5-inch foam. So here you see I cut the edges of the cardboard to get the design, and then I glued it on with Pattex and E6000 glue, and then I leave it there to dry for a couple hours, or based on your glue you can leave it there. I then took it inside because the place was getting a bit dark, and then I started wrapping the leather material over it, and this is the finished product.